HTML form processing and its interaction with PHP is pretty straightforward. A couple things you need to keep in mind. Number one is the two very important attributes of the form are method and action. The only method that we'll talk about here today is the get method. There's also a post method that we may look at later, but for right now we'll look at the get method. The get method is actually an HTTP method, and it creates what's called a query string. A query string is a combination of name and value pairs that are then sent to whatever page you tell them to be sent to with the action. So again, method equals delimited by double quotes. Get action equals delimited with double quotes largest process.php. That means after I complete a form like this, 112233, and click the submit button, I'm going to have 11 is now going to be assigned to num1 because num1 has the name, its name attribute set. So num1 set here. Imagine two more HTML statements that look like this, but instead of num1, they have num2 and num3. So right when I click on submit, what's the action? Call this PHP page. This PHP page is going to have a query string that has these name value pairs. And I get them, pun intended, this way. Simply click on submit. The query string actually looks something like this. And you can actually, if you want to call largestprocess.php, you can do that just by entering the name itself, .php, largestprocess.php, and then question mark, and then name, the name of the first get is num1, and that will have a value of 11, ampersand, you won't be able to see this, but I think you'll get the idea, num2, ampersand, num3, 33. So there are my name value pairs. Num1 will have a value of 11, num2 will have a value of 22, num3 will have a value of 33, all on the same that were entered in your text box there. So the HTML, this is just HTML, the form is all in HTML. Because I have my action sent to largestprocess.php, that's how my name value pairs are created in the query string.